Hi guys, good evening. In last session, guys, you have seen how you can start working with a static file. Okay, so that's I have explained you in the last session, guys. Okay, so for that, guys, what we have done, we have created one folder called as statics. Okay, a static folder. Then this folder we have configured to that settings.py file, guys. Okay, so what was the configuration, guys? First configuration we have done, we have added this line, guys. Okay, remember it, guys. Okay, this line. Okay, the next was, guys, below you come down and you can see this was the next configuration, guys. Okay, this two line we have added for the static. Okay, okay, guys, extra what we added by default is there this one. Okay, don't worry about this one. Okay, guys, understand till now these things. Now, okay, and also we have seen few function, guys. Okay, we have worked with HTML and we have seen the few views.py file, like we have worked with a table form. Okay, like table view. Okay, guys, then next. Okay, so let me show you the output, guys. Till now whatever we have done, let me show the output, guys. Okay, let's move to the our project folder, guys. Okay, this is the second project. Okay, that's done. Python manager.py run server. Okay, my project is running, guys, on the default server. Okay, default port number. Okay, let's go and see the our things, guys. Okay, okay, guys, so let's come and see here. Okay, these things what we have seen in the last video, guys. Okay, come here, click in table page, guys. Okay, come, this was the table, guys. Okay, now you guys can design this table how do you want. Okay, okay, guys, so these things you guys can design yourself, but I have just explained you the basic HTML point of view, guys. Okay, now let me explain you about the forms, guys. Okay, forms tag, how you can work with the forms, guys. Okay, till now till here yesterday I have explained you, but I didn't explain in details, guys, about the forms exactly how it will work. Okay, so guys, working with forms, what you guys have to do here, come, today date is, guys, then, okay, guys, so then it's like working with forms, working with, okay, guys, working with HTML forms, guys. Okay, remember HTML forms. Okay, guys, so there is one tag, guys. Okay, default tag. Okay, for form. Okay, inside we have the few attribute, guys. Okay, like method. Okay, and action. Okay, guys, these things we have few attribute, guys. Okay, don't worry about these things, I will explain you, guys. Okay, now, okay, then form tag open, then form tag comment, like open and close. Okay, now inside the forms, guys, we have some special tag, guys. Okay, for example, inside the table you have some tag, understand, td, t head, tr, td. So inside the forms also we have some tag, guys. Okay, like input tag, guys. Okay, this tag is, it will helpful for you to create the forms fields, guys. Okay, for example, let's come to basic to top, and there is one page called contact page. Okay, guys, see this, this one is able to create input field, means what input you want to ask, from where you want to, so this will create, guys. Okay, this will create these things, guys. Okay, it will come, understand, guys? Okay, now next, guys, so for example, you come into the login page, sign out, see the sign in, these details will come for you, guys. Okay, this all the details will come for you here, this field. So this thing's done by the HTML tag, input tag guys. Okay, there is tag called input tag. Okay, then input tag there is a type. Okay, type will be something guys. Okay, then name will be something. Okay, then value will be something. Okay guys. Okay, this is your tab. Okay, input tag is used to get the input from the customer guys. Okay, now what types of input you want, that you have to mention here. Types means guys, it should be like, you want like
Text.
text, yeah, you want date, yeah, you want image, sorry, yeah, you want file. Okay, yeah, what you want, maybe you want data from customer like email, you want the data from customer side, maybe we can write it here like the checkbox, maybe then radio. Okay, maybe you want some data from a customer in different format guys, like number. Understand guys? So these are the types guys. Okay, of this input means what kinds of data you are asking user to fill guys. Okay, then name should be like the name of the your input tag name guys. Okay, like if you want here first name. Okay, then value you leave it, value you can put as the default, else you can leave that one. Okay, once customer type it will go automatically guys. Okay, understand guys? Value. So okay, understand guys? So these things, so I want to one forms here guys. Okay, I want forms. Which way guys? Let me see, let me draw option is there, right? Let me draw it here guys, something. Okay, what I want guys, I want from customer side. So customer what can do guys, this is a screen. Okay, now here I want customer to fill some details guys. Okay, I want customer to fill some kinds of details like first name. Okay, then I want multiple details guys. Okay, first name, then I want email, I want date and time, date. Okay, date of birth, then I want, maybe I will take phone number guys. Okay, these are details I want from customer. I want to design this forms guys. Okay, now let's see it here. There will be like full name. Okay, then we will take it here guys. One more things, maybe you can take what you want guys here, maybe you can take like email. Okay, then we will take one more column guys. Okay, don't worry about design guys. Okay, just I'm adding here email, then DOB, date of birth. Okay, then next you can take what, this one, take this one. What do you want guys, you can take maybe phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay guys, understand? Don't worry about design, how is that, but I want this thing to capture from users guys. Okay, email, date of birth, phone number, then full name. Okay guys, now let's save it here. Understand? Then also I want, what I want guys here, then I want one button guys. Okay, next what I want guys, then I want from customer one button, like button will be like submit button, yeah, what something. Okay, let's assume this way. Inside I want one button guys, that will be like, let's assume submit. Submit. Okay guys, okay guys, Let's assume guys this is one of the button. Okay guys, just you think this way, this is one of the button that's I want from customer side. Now let's color this one different color. It's possible guys. Yeah. Let's put button color as the something. Okay, like this one gray. And let's put text color as the, if you want you can put as the white. Oh, I want text color as the white. Why not coming white guys? I don't think so we need to worry about this one guys. So text color not coming in, just leave it. Okay. Let's change the background color to itself guys. Okay. What is this now? Okay. I don't think we need to waste that much time here. Just I put as this one only. Oh, this is coming like border inside, right? Inside border I don't want. Let's leave that the same border. Okay. So it will not visible. Okay. I want this way guys. I want this way one of the button. Once they click here users. So I don't think about the click guys. Okay. Just I want once user come they can see these forms. Okay. Now understand one thing guys. Okay. This is these things guys. Okay. These things. Okay guys. These things. And this all the things called label guys. Okay. This all will call label in the HTML guys. Okay. This all name is what guys? This all name is called label. Name of this is what guys? Is called label. Okay guys. Remember it guys. Okay. Label. Okay. And this is called input field. And this all is that guys is called input field guys. Okay. Input. Okay guys. This thing is called input field guys. Okay. This whatever you are saying these things guys. Okay. This thing called input field and this thing is called label guys. Okay. So it's not look good guys. So what I will do is just delete this one. Okay. But I don't worry about design. But I don't just I will put it here guys. Okay. Okay. This is called this thing's called guys label. Okay guys. Just I'm explaining you guys. Label. Okay. Okay. This is called label and this is called what? This thing's called guys input tag. Input. Okay guys. Okay. Understand guys. Okay. Now let's delete this one guys. This one only. Okay. And I can just save it guys. Okay. It's saved. So I want now these things guys. Okay. Just for I am just explaining you just for your understanding purpose guys. Okay. Because you guys don't know about the HTML, right? So that is the purpose I am explaining you guys. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now guys, now let's go ahead guys. Let's move fast. Don't want to go much slow. Okay. So did you understand the requirement guys? This is our requirement. What we are going to do it here again. Okay. Now what I will do guys here. What I will be doing guys here next. Let's I want forms guys. Okay here. See in our side forms. I want the forms here guys. Okay. So what I will do in HTML there is a one tag called forms guys. Okay. Form. Okay. Close the form. Okay. Now inside the forms we have some attribute guys. Okay. That will like method guys. Okay. So method is equal to we will add as the post method, guys. Okay, why I'm adding the post, guys? Okay, that I will discuss a bit later. Okay, no worry about that. Okay, so don't worry about this method things, guys. Okay, right now. Okay. Okay. Now I want same forms, guys. Okay, I want same forms here. Okay, whatever we have designed it here, guys. Okay, like label will be like full name, this thing, and input this one. So first let's design the input only, guys. Okay, like take one attribute, one tag input. Okay, inside the input, what you want, guys? Like type. There is one. You want the first name, guys. Okay, means text field. Okay, text data you want. Okay, then name is equal to, sorry, full name, right? Name is equal to, you can put as the full name. Okay, guys, and value is equal to, you can put something empty right now, just put okay empty. Then there is a call, something is called input. Now same things I will just copy and paste it here. Okay, text. Then you want email. Okay, then you want phone number, maybe what is that, dob. Okay, then you want phone number, yeah, understand? For email fields, guys, let's see here. Now let's come and reload this one, guys. Can you see? You will see four input tag. Okay, guys. Okay, so we will see here four input tag, guys. Okay. Okay, so all data we can see here. Let me, what I will do, guys, here. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is the things, guys. Okay, we can do here. Now next, what is that, guys? Okay, hope you guys can see my screen. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, guys, hope you can see, guys, here. Okay, so input this one, this one, this one, this one, guys. Okay, confirm if you can see the my screen, guys. Okay, so what I have done, guys, here actually, uh, I have designed this one, guys. Okay, this one I want this way output, guys. Okay, I want output as a this way now. Okay, guys, this is the way I want to design the forms. There is a tag, input tag, and these things, all those things, guys. Okay, then this one. Okay, so now what I will do, guys, here, let's create the forms, guys. Okay, input tag here, this one. Okay, now come it here and see. So I have created. Now I want to add the label, guys. Okay, I want to add the label. So use one tag, guys, here, slash label. Okay, now id, there is some attribute, guys. Okay, don't worry, just add slash label. Okay, then you can add here first name, sorry, full name, right? Full name. Okay, come and reload. Full name coming, can you see, guys? Okay, same way you can add it here. Okay, whatever you want to get here. Okay, full name, then you want email, then you can take here dob, date of birth, then you can take here like phone number. Understand, guys? Okay, now come and reload. Can you see the level, guys? For here I telling I want to input like name, email, date of birth, phone number. Okay, if you want you can put here one tag. Okay, after this one you can put one tag called br tag. Okay, it will come into next line, guys. Okay, understood, guys, what I'm telling you here? Just put into br, it will come into next tag. Okay, you want, you put one more br, Later you since you know HTML so CSS, then you can design it guys. Okay, so same this way coming. Okay, later you can design. Okay, now next is what is get next. There is one button you need guys. Okay, you need one button here, right? So for button also we can use same tag guys also. Okay, input type is equal to submit. Okay guys, type is equal to submit. Okay, name is equal to submit. Okay, then value is equal to can put here submit only, means submit. Okay guys, now it will come here one button. You can understand guys here. Okay, now if you want one something beer tag, you can add it here beer tag, it will go down. Okay, understand guys. If you click here, now let's go back. If you click here, its data is going something else. Okay, see here, but I want all the fields should be mandatory guys. Okay, mandatory. Okay, all the fields should be mandatory, so you have to put here required. Okay, now come reload and ask submit here. It writes this field is must, you have to fill guys. Okay, if you want one attribute, you can add the required here. Okay, understand guys. Right now I want all the everything says the mandatory guys. Okay, all of the required. If you fill one, then only you can go second. Okay, see guys, since this is a email field guys. Okay, now this is the email field, but simply you are entering something and you are going back. Okay, but it's working. So you want exactly in email field, right? You just should capital the email. So you have to add here type is equal to email. Okay guys, this will create like this is the particular field as the email field. See here now, typing something. Okay, now let's type something. Let's here type something and press enter. It asking please include the at the rate email address. At the rate is missing. Did you understand guys? So some default validation is coming guys. Okay, so you can write at the rate. No, still something is pending guys. Okay, so at the rate you have to add gmail.com. Okay, now is complete email. Now this is a date of birth field guys. Okay, date of birth just we are adding the something guys. Okay, but this should be not text, this should be the calendar like that guys. Okay, so you have date field, so come here add the date. Understand guys? Okay, now see date field is coming. Did you understand guys? Calendar itself coming. So add ram an email address like info at info dot BasicToTop dot in. Okay guys, okay, so you can get it from here like that way. Then see date. Now date field is coming. You can say that your date of birth. What is your date of birth guys? Okay, here now this data. Now phone number. Okay, you are adding something character guys. Okay, but it will rise the error guys. Okay, info at gmail.com. Okay, let's put like that here. Okay, okay, date of birth, phone number is going something. Can you see guys what data you are sending here? See, phone number you capture, name first, full name Ram, email address, then we capture the date of birth and phone number something. Phone number is going some different things guys. Okay, so phone number should be the number only guys. Okay, so we can add it here, call one fields call number also. Okay, if you want we can add with number also. See here, come. Okay, okay, select. You have to put here something. If you putting this one, we can't type even the text guys. Okay, now number only. If you want number, you can put here. Okay, submit. Now number only. Did you understand guys this one? This way you can design the forms guys. Okay, this is the way you can design the forms. Okay guys. Now there is also a lot of properties method that you can see later guys. Okay, so just for basic understanding, just I have explained you how you can work with the forms guys. Okay, now see guys, while submitting the data guys. Okay, while submitting the data we can see the data into this in the urls guys. Okay, okay, so remember one thing guys, there is a concept called get method and post method guys. Okay, okay, so inside the forms guys we have one tag, one attribute called method. Okay, method should be like there's a lot of method guys. Okay, so method is like get post put delete. Okay, these things are the method guys. Okay, this is called http method guys. Okay, http method. Okay guys, now what is http guys? Hypertext transfer protocol guys. Okay, so this method get method, what is the use of get method guys? Okay, get to get the data. Okay, post means post the data to backend. Okay, now put means put means guys you can update the data. Means yeah, edit. This is called whenever if you want to send data to the backend guys. Okay, that times you can use the post method. Okay, so that means guys my requirement is if I click on submit button, data should go into the backend and save it guys. Okay, data should go into backend and save guys. Okay, that is our requirement guys. Okay, so that is our requirement. So then it will not visible into this these things guys. Okay, now what I will do guys here, like add here method is equal to post. Okay guys, now go back. Okay, just to go back here guys. Okay, now add something wrong. Date of birth, let's see current date only and phone number. Okay guys, now submit. Can you see? You don't worry about this error guys. Okay, this error is called request uh, cross site request for the token guys. Okay, okay, so this is for it will, this is used to validation purpose guys. Okay, so to resolve this error guys, you can commit here, you can add one thing that things guys. Okay, here like cs rf underscore token. Okay, now come, this is post method guys. Okay, reload it and add the data here again and send the data guys. Okay, then okay, this one. Okay, now data is sending. Okay guys, data is going. Now there is no data into the urls guys. That directly in backend is going guys. Okay, do you understand guys this one? Now how you can receive this data guys? Okay, how you can receive this data? So okay, so here there is extra properties method that you can work guys. Okay, there is extra tag or label. Okay guys, so these things basic level guys, just you can understand. Okay, just I have explained you. Now once you click submit button, I want to receive the data guys. Okay, what data is coming to the backend guys. Okay, so backend, which is the view function guys. Okay, this is the view function guys. Okay, now let's see here guys, one thing, print request dot method. Okay, okay guys, print request dot method. I'm coming here, let's see. Now by default just reload this page guys. Okay, just to reload this page. No, no, don't submit, go back, come to the home page. There is one page called click forms guys. Come to click form, see here guys in the output get method coming up. Did you understand guys? So default method is a get method only guys. Okay, so this all the things if your requirement is like this way guys. Okay, if customer will, if BasicToTop.in. Okay, if customer will click this url guys. Okay, then I want what, then I want to become by default as the home page, guys. Okay, I want to become by default as the home page. In home page, this is like what they can see as a get method, guys. Okay, so this is called get method. Okay, whatever data you are seeing, this is called get method request, guys. Okay, so now these things you can put inside the one function, guys. Okay, right here, if request dot method is equal to get. Okay, guys, then add this one. Okay, guys, understand, guys? Get method. Okay, now again also no problem, guys. Same things, guys. Okay, come reload it here. You can see here I have the output. I am printing output in the console, guys. Okay, get method. Okay, guys, understand get method. Okay, now if you want to receive the data, guys. Okay, now method we are sending the data to the backend. Okay, so what we have to do is here, even though get method also you can send, guys, no problem. Okay, but we are sending through the post method, guys. Okay, so right here, if request dot method is equal to post. Okay, guys, now here write the data. Okay, guys, now what we just you can write one line here, guys. Okay, data equal to request dot post. Okay, guys, just I want you to write this one, request dot post, and print this data, guys. Okay, print the data. Okay, now this is add on message here. Okay, print customer send the data. Okay, guys, remember inside the, okay, already writing as here. Okay, let's see. Okay, right here, this line, guys. Okay, so you will know the what is the method, guys. Okay, so you will know the what is the method. Okay, let's commit here and write pass the data, guys. Okay, and now save it. Okay, I told you, right, you don't worry about this data, guys. Okay, but now come and console and check what is the message, what data, whatever customer sending data, guys, you will be post method. You can see here data. Okay, what the reason, guys, here we are passing here post, right? Pass into the caps letter, guys. Okay, post. Okay, don't worry, just pass as a post method, guys. Okay, this way. Now come and just but why data, what is output here, guys? Come. Okay, just let's reload this one. Okay, I have reloaded it now. Now pass the data, guys. Name I am passing the RAM, and this is the email address, guys. Okay, let's put the current date. Okay, then as something. Okay, let's submit. Don't worry about the error, guys. Let's see the output on the console. Actually, we can't see any output in the console, guys. Okay, what is the thing? Zero. Let's print. Okay, guys, let's just print this line here outside of that. And say, okay, guys, see here. Now just reload it. Submit. What happened? Any problem? Just submit method submit. And do you need to add the action guys? Okay. But actually, not worry guys. Input tab submit this one equals form method is equal method equal to post. Okay guys. And what is the error here guys? Let's see. Okay, now only is writing something else. Okay, can you see guys? I don't know what was the reason was here. Okay, can you see here now? Post method data. Whatever data we are sending guys here. Okay, that is coming here. Okay, now what we'll do guys here? I will just what I will do. I will get data one by one. Okay, guys. Before that, guys. Okay, once data submitted, I wanted to. I don't want to send this page guys. Okay, I don't wanted to come into error page guys. Okay, so what I will do? I want to redirect into the this page only guys. Okay, what I will do here guys, just I will come just for your knowledge purpose. I will add one thing here. Okay, so what I will do now here guys. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, just see here, once data coming, just I want to redirect to the home page. Okay, return, use one method called redirect guys. Okay, redirect. Okay, now the name, import the redirect guys. Okay, render redirect guys. Okay, I want to redirect into where guys, once data will submit, I want to redirect to the same page guys. Okay, to this form. Okay guys, this name guys. Okay, what is the name guys? This form. Okay, name of the URLs guys. Okay, and just add it here guys. Okay, okay, so it will redirect to the that page. Okay, now that error will not come guys. Okay, listen as well. Okay, now let's come submit, come and see no any errors guys. Okay, now let's see into the data. Can you see the data here guys? Here data, can you see the data here? What data is coming from the see customer send the, okay, customer send the data. Okay guys, this data. Okay, now what I want to do guys here, I want to receive the data guys one by one guys. Okay, so what we'll do guys, comment this line. Okay, like what was the first full name guys? Okay, full name. What is the name guys? Input field name guys here, like full name. By using this name you can get the data guys, what customer is passing guys. Okay, full name. Okay, I am passing here called full name. Okay, then request dot post dot get. Understand guys? Request dot post dot get. Okay, same way we can write here. Okay, next is called email. I want the email also to be filtered, so add it as the email. Okay, the next guys you can add as the DOB. Okay, I want the DOB next guys. Okay, next data as the DOB. Okay, next what I want guys, next I want this one guys. Okay, phone number. Okay, I want phone number now. Okay, okay, understand guys? Did you understand? Now I want one thing guys. Okay, now let's create one dictionary guys. Okay, let's create one dictionary. I want to store this data guys. Okay, means customer data. Okay, create the dictionary guys. Okay, how to create a dictionary guys? This way, tn value base guys. Okay, like full name. Okay, full name, then you can add here called email. Understood guys? Email. Okay, then you can add a date of birth. Okay, then phone number. Now just you can print this one, guys. Okay, now what we'll do, we can just print into the console only, guys. Okay? Customer data. Okay, print print data, this data. Okay, guys, just I add the print data. That's it, guys. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, guys, here now, let's see it, guys. Now again, let's send the request from the front end, guys. Okay, can see it, guys. Now again, let's send the request from the front end, guys. Okay, let's this time I want to add uh, Asutosh. Okay, next Asutosh at gmail.com. Let's assume date of birth is something, you can say. mm, okay, let's assume something date of birth, like we can take, okay, 2000, okay, July 17 something. Okay, now, okay, pass the phone number. Okay, see, now you can check into the console, guys. Okay, you can check into the console. Okay, can you see, guys, data, what data is coming, while we are receiving the data from the front end to the back end. So now, guys, now I will stop the session here today. Okay, and I will ask you guys to get the data from customer. Okay, and display data into same page, guys. Okay, a different page. Okay, in same page you can display the data, guys. Okay, like in tabular column, guys. Okay, in tabular column. Okay, guys, that is your task now. That's you guys, that things you guys have to do. Okay, guys, so till now we have covered this one. We work with Django normal forms designing, and also I have explained you that how you can get the data from the front end to back end, guys. Okay, how you can receive the data and how you can print into the console. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching, guys. Let's have the uh, next things into the next session, guys. Okay, thank you so much.